In this video, let us solve for x. The question is 4 to the power of x is equal to 20. Let's start the solution together from here. Dear viewers, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So, let's start the solution of this question from here. Firstly, I can rewrite the question here, which is 4 to the power of x is equal to 20. This is an exponential equation, so we can apply logarithm on both sides. Log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 20. I write here one rule. We can apply this rule on the above equation, which is log p to the power of m is equal to m into log of p. So we apply this rule on the above equation. It become x into log 4 is equal to log 20. To eliminate log 4, I divided both sides by log 4. Log 4 and log 4 cancel with each other, and x is equal to log 20 divided by log 4. In the next step, we can also write x is equal to log 20 as log 4 times 5 divided by log 4 can be written as it is log 4. I write here one rule again, which we can apply on this numerator, which is log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So x is equal to log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. In the next step, I can separately write log 4 on each term. So x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Log 4 and log 4 cancel with each other, and it become x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. In the next step, we can also write x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4 can be written as log 2 to the power of 2. Now I am going to the next page. Okay, dear viewers, so I write the below step here. Now in the next step, x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by these two come before, so it become 2 into log 2. Okay, so in the next step, it can be written as x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 into log 5 base log 5 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, I can write this log in this general form: log m divided by log n is equal to log m base n. Okay, so it become x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is the final answer of this question. I review the question, so see carefully and tell me in the comment section that either you enjoy the video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.